What's up, everyone? Today, we're going to dive into something seriously cool, something that holds immense potential in our digital age: prompt engineering. And yes, it's as fascinating as it sounds. Prompt engineering is all about instructing artificial intelligence, like Chatgpt, developed by OpenAI, to perform tasks based on specific instructions. It's kind of like training your dog to fetch, but in this case, the dog is an ultra advanced language model that can generate human like text. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about something like prompt engineering? Well, it's a skill that creates serious value. It's like having a gold mine where each nugget is just a well structured sentence away. And the best part, it's not just about technology or AI, it's about attraction marketing too. You see, in our online world, attracting attention is crucial. When you know how to create a compelling prompt, you're basically a massive storyteller. And guess what? People love stories. They draw them in, keeps them engaged, and just what you need for effective attraction marketing. Now, this get a little technical, but don't worry, I'll keep it as simple as possible. When we're talking about AI like ChatGPT, the prompt you give is vital. Just like you'd ask a buddy for directions, the quality of the prompt determines the quality of the AI's output. Say you're vague or unclear, the AI is going to respond with something that might not be exactly what you're looking for. But if you can craft a clear, concise, and relevant prompt, you just hit the jackpot, because that's when you'll start extracting the real value from these language models. You'll get the right answers, engage your audience, and supercharge your marketing strategies. That's the power of prompt engineering with tools like ChatGPT, blending technology and attraction marketing into one amazing package. So if you're looking to stay ahead of the game, start diving into the world of prompt engineering. You'll not only master AI, but also level up your digital marketing game. The workforce landscape is definitely changing, and this is where the new job market will be. So start learning now and become a master of this skill, because it will make you a lot of money in the near future. So, okay, great. Thanks for your time. I hope I was able to inspire you to get started in learning this new skill. So what I'm going to have to say to you today is just basically follow this topic that I had today, and stay tuned, stay curious, and until next time, have a great day.